Hello friends, so in today's video I will show you that how you can pay DAV Global Schools fees through online mode. So first you need to visit davglobal.com, and after that you need to locate an option pay online. Just click here, or you can also click here. Both options goes to the same page. So I will click here. Now you need to go through all the instructions one by one, and then after that, after reading the instruction, you need to click here for the online payment. When you click on the online payment button, it will open a new tab where you need to fill the username and the password. So I am going to enter. So now, as you see that these are the paid month, April, May, June, and now we need to pay the due fees. So we need to click on this button, pay due fees. So I already have paid quarter one payment, but now the second payment is due. So I will click on this quarter two option, and it will show you the amount. I just need to click on here, pay. So now the website redirect to the payment page where you need to enter your credit card, debit card, net banking, UPI or EMI option. So you can choose any option. So I am going to select the net banking option. I am going to pay through ICICI Bank. You can use any other mode also. So now let's log in. So here on remark page I will write DAV just as a reminder. So I need to now enter OTP. So I just have entered one time password. So now I just going to click on pay. The payment has done successfully. And the payment receipt has also generated successfully. So you can download this receipt for your future reference, or you can also take a print by clicking this button. So I hope that you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more informative content.